Yo, welcome back, yeah. So, without further ado, sorry, no, it's a long time I don't post a video, but you know, if see with me because I'm busy. Anyway, welcome back to the Genuine Podcast. Today we are going to review a song by the name of Unknown T, featuring Skillibeng. If you don't know Unknown T, it's a UK artist, and of course, from the UK. Dancehall artist Skillibeng, of course, from Jamaica. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want me to review any song, I'm going to shout out. Oh crap, I forgot your name. I'm going to show it up on the screen so let me see the comments and see everything. Anyway, shout out to you. If you suggesting that song, yeah, we are going to go in that video, see how it go. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, I don't really know. I never really hear the song yet. I'm not going to lie to you. What day I'm ride and me hear the song come in and I never really pay attention to the song, I don't pay attention to the words. I'm on the bike, come here, zing, through traffic. Anyway, if you want to see some fitness video, and you want to see some motorcycle vlog, if you want to see some reckless scrap, you can go over to my other channel. It is Quandino. It's simple as that. Now go see me in a red hat and a blue shirt, look thick and rough. You see me? But anyway, come on, go into the video. We're going to start it. Simple. So let's go.
Yo, bro, me the music. Is that? Yo, Unknown T.
IT for me this one.
Is that?
Yo, a Skillibeng specialty that you know. Brrrr. A Skillibeng specialty that you know. Yung sang him de pa din kapot. Brrrr. Like a blood clot Nokia.
Listen, all my gun boys crash on pets and they slap with tech. I'm so impressed. Pretty gal want a goon and I love double piss. Gal show that breast. Do what one thing with a mask on deck. That's 2 double OK miles on a track. It's come through when I beat that trap to the mid back. Show them peps. Voila. It's come through when I beat that track. 3-2 on my lap. Wanna kick like Jet Li. Cocktail day got a thing on me. I still got smoke. Don't stress me. Got enough for my plate, but the ops want test me. Scheme then rev out the ride like this. It's 021 where you know about press. You be at the ops and we pull up plenty glue.
HL, show me number one thing.
Bumbo clot is song bad. So far the song tough. And the boy them Unknown T, the man just like how to put it now. The man flow just different. You see me? It's symmetrical. You see me? The man flow just you see me man flow come like the ocean, brother. And then Skillibeng just come in, okay? But no, so Skillibeng voice tough too, You see me? I have to just make sure say, sometimes Skillibeng is a hit and miss sometimes. Still, Skillibeng you already go on with nothing right now, G. But if you are rest, take some rest time, man. Nothing wrong if you rest in G. Wait if you give you something. You see me? I need to give you something. No.
New without fashion, not section. And big old black under my bed set. All the suspense, nothing expected.
Bumbo clot, man say big old black under my belt. Hey, you man say wholly nothing suspected.
Come but you have to take step. But we must head with the old cat. Take the damn, you know we're cool and we're jet.
All my gun boys crash on pets and they slap with tech. I'm so impressed. Pretty gal want a goon and I love double piss. Gal show that breast. Do what one thing with a mask on deck. That's 2 double OK miles on a track. It's come through when I beat that trap to the mid back. Show them peps. One on.
You do have your heart for me gun them there. Spain tongue to tell some boy we attack but bad me for run them way. Brand new black full of 9 ball I'm a 2 clip them I'm a moving sense. Fan approving then. Roll out fan a boy moving dead.
See the ops love to go lift up your jumpers. Bare 2 moods and punches. No need contour can you arch back pumpkin. She holds one tap this but D1 function. No stacker you broke go free up a lump some crash slap 2 of your dumb. She want more cocky your friend keep calling about. She keep starting she loves obstruction.
Extension, the seaside and I be a dead man. Pan with the clip start dreaming back when pussy the back then flip like that. Helicopter, so the chopper sound and the roll out when I see alien man. Big fat chat in a SLR man. Kill them how we do go blaze after. Clean as that.
Fill up the mash gang, do the conduction. I just want top girl, I need concussion. She got big breath and she want reduction. What would I do in the mash? She needs some tucking. Your body don't need no adjusting. Nose on toast of my yachting bracket. We torn the up, blew out the cause of dust.
Bleaching cream, some put chat all over them skin with the big 16. Love.
Yo, man, I like Skillibeng. Yo, me honestly did kinda me very skeptical about Skillibeng part. Me not guy that time. Me very, very skeptical about Skillibeng part. But me not like Skillibeng really and truly impressed me with how him just a flow and how him and Unknown T just a go off of each other when it come to lyrics and when it come to, the flow of the music. You see me? Like, I really enjoy that part. Just that alone, yeah. And lyrically, it is very, very well put together, especially Unknown T part, and Skillibeng part so far is very well put together. Congrats.
I make them little man bleed, yes, every time can't say me no damn need.
Plus it, yeah.
Just tax me, fear them down. Kill them head, shot them and make home. This man, then I dead, kill them tongue.
All my gun boys crash on peds and they slap with tech, I'm so impressed. Pretty gal want a goon and I love double piss, gal show that breast. Do what one thing with a mask on deck, that's 2 double okay miles on a track. It's come through when I beat them, chat to the knit back, show them peps. Wall on.
Yo, that can have no teeth. Yo, man, his mouth 50 teeth to blood clean.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pull it.
Alright, me now go lie to you. The song, it's like me like it personally, see me? When it comes to Unknown T, when it comes to some UK artists, you have to like really listen very keenly. If you're not from the UK, you have to listen very keenly. So a lot of you guys might not understand exactly what he's saying in the song. But if you listen keenly, you can actually hear what he's saying, and what he's saying is like very, very lyrical, a lot of metaphors, and oh, my camera, oops, not my camera, I mean my mic.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
It's a lot of metaphors and stuff like that in the song. So you have to kind of like listen to it properly if you understand. You know, Unknown T part, and of course for those of you guys who don't understand Jamaicans, yeah, you have to listen to. You understand? But to me personally, the song is a good song. I honestly, the song have 1.8 million views. I think it deserves more than that, because let me say, it's a song where very well put together. Skillibeng, congratulations. You really surprised me. Because I tell you the truth, you know, that guy. You listen to some song from you over there, brother. The song not really match up, you know. The song not really match up from you, my youth. When you go back to Crocodile Teeth and Mr. Universe. You see me? Them song that we want you from, you know, brother. Some more song like that. You see me? But anyway, Unknown T, Skillibeng, big up on yourself. If you don't like the video, drop a like, drop a comment, yeah? Drop a comment, yeah? Let me know what you think about the song. Me personally think the song bad. Me not go hide and talk. The song is tough and it rough. But anyway, drop a like, leave a comment, let me know the next song you want me review. And also, don't forget to subscribe. You see me? And if you want to see some fitness and you want to see some motor vlogs, you can go over my other channel, which is Quandino. That's up on the screen too. But anyway, big up on yourself. I'll soon on the next one. And from now on, just be safe. Russia, if you stop the fuckery with Ukraine, you know, you to let me tell you no Putin. You see me? I'd rather me a Putin. And if you shut out the fuckery, man, I tell the truth. War not bring nothing, you know. War is destruction. You see me? So I don't want to see them think they're going narrow right now, because we just survive a big freaking crisis. We don't want to go through that right now. World War III, we don't want that. You see me? We want everybody live in love and unity. We want to see people come together. We want to see this whole racism thing shit just drop out through the door and never come back. You see me? Because we all one, you know. You see me? We all bleed the same color. You see me? So I want to see everybody live in love and unity. I don't want to see no violence, I don't want to see no crime, I don't want to see no man shoot no man and stop no man. You see me? I fist it out. And then afterwards, you know, just say, yo, yeah, you're the better fighter. You see me? So you what me I say? Big up on yourself. Click subscribe. Love you know. Peace. Joy. Happiness. Enjoy on life. Don't make nobody bring on it down. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.